Hello, my name is Troy Galloway. I'm the owner of Galloway Building Services, and I'm really tickled that you folks have taken your time to watch this video, because what I wanted to share with you is the difference of what we look for in a historical home, which is an old home. This old home we're looking at here today is over 120 years old. We just have different building practices, and they can't be held to the same standards as what was when they was built back in 120 some years. So anyway, come and join us, and you'll enjoy this as much as we do. Thanks, folks. All right, so we are in the kitchen area. Now, this was the original kitchen. And of course, they've added the cabinets, and they've redone the sink and everything over here. And so that's all been, now they used to have an old well house in here that used to have the water. It wasn't city water like now. So they've readjusted some of the plumbing here. But I believe the sink's probably always been there because of where the bathroom is upstairs. We're going to get up in the bathroom. You're going to love it. It is really, really cool. It's actually got the original fixtures. But what we used to have is a stove over here, and I could tell where the stove was at because you see this right here. This indentation. This is where it used to be plugged in at. And you can kind of see right in here where they probably had that going into here too, the stovepipe. But these are things we want to be looking at. And this has all been pretty much redone. So, but, you know, we want to make sure that there again, we want to make sure that any retrofits has also been taken to the place that they're done safe and right. So we'll just wander on in through here. They're really cool. These are the original floors. And these are not oak floors, which they are a hardwood, but I'm not exactly, it's hard to tell with this, they've been stripped. But all the wood in here, all the materials that we have are pretty much all local. When we get down to the basement, we'll talk more about that. So, well, now let's head on back upstairs. Well, I just got to take you up there and show you the bathroom. It's really cool. The old pocket doors. Now, this door's been kind of replaced, but this is really popular at this time, was these old pocket doors. Amazingly enough, everybody has a pocket door today. We complain about them. It's not the quality of, it's not really the pocket door is the problem, it's the quality of the hardware. So when you do put a new pocket door in a new home or an older home, you want to make sure you get good hardware. Don't get the cheap stuff. You'll only regret it. All right, so look at this old stairwell. There's no way would this ever pass code today, but it's all grandfathered in. So when we do an inspection like this, we recognize that it's not code compliant for today, but it is grandfathered in. And look at this, isn't that really nice? So we're gonna wander up here. Just imagine how many parties and how many birthdays, how many, you know, times that people have been out here and having a great summer time and enjoying their life out there. You know, when I go through these old homes like this, I think about all of the wonderful memories that are attached to the home. It's really awesome.